Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
Wait, I'm back. I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. A while back, we made a tie rack for our son-in-law, but right now it's too small. So what we're gonna do in this video is show you how we made a new tie rack version 2.
Later.
All right, normally at this point, we're able to tell you what we're gonna do next week. We've got so many things going on, as well as our little business. We're getting orders left and right, which has actually been kind of fun. I kind of want to make videos of the things that we actually build for people, but I've started thinking a lot of them is using the exact same techniques, even though the design itself is different. So I'm gonna hold off until I make something that's totally unique from anything that we've shown you before. But we do have some other projects that we do need to take care of in the house as well. So one of those will turn into a video. We've also got another idea that we're working with some companies. We proposed a few ideas to them, and if they agree to it, we're going to be making a little bit of different video. We don't know which one's going to be first, but until we figure all that out, we will see you again.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.